All right, just doing another build update on the 65 Daytona Coupe. Again, got my rear vents cut in. These are gonna have to be filleted with some glass beads and epoxy. Otherwise, it's matted in the back with some chop strand mat and some cloth epoxied on the inside and the outside corner. Same here on the top. Still gotta fill this in right here. So that's the same on both sides. Additionally, was able to get my license plate in. Got this all filled in. Of course, it'll have to be filled with glass beads and epoxy, some body filler. We're gonna fill it this as well, so there's some nice rounded edges. Same here on the outside corners. Taillights are in. Thinking about doing something here. Maybe cutting out this piece right here and then possibly coming down at an angle with the body and then sucking the tail kind of back. That way it gives it almost some sort of a diffuser look that drops down and goes with the plate. And then I'll have some diffuser fins here, real small. I don't want them big. I don't want it to look not racer-like, but kind of going for this, I think it was a 458 or 488 Ferrari look. It'll look pretty nice once it's all done. Over here we have the dash, combination of 1/4 inch ply, some foam, lots of filler. Just added this piece here to the front. Again, this is a piece of foam with some epoxy filler right now, which will give this a nice little overhang for the dash. So we got some nice curves to the top. Again, this will all get sanded out. Then we're gonna gel coat it, pull a mold off of it, probably do a fiberglass piece first, and then see how it fits, get the holes cut in, see if I like it. And then if the fiberglass works out, then we'll do a carbon fiber. Up here, still gotta finish this vent. It's cut in, but that'll look nice once it's done. Additionally, I have this, these were fender vents that I pulled a mold off of from my old SLC. Considering making some vents, 2 of them, one here and one here, and they'll go kind of right in the middle like that. Of course, that's reversed. They'll stick up. The holes will be in the back. So kind of the thought is this high pressure or low pressure area coming over the hood will suck some of that hot air out. Additionally, this is right where these, you can't see, but this is right where these headers are, so that we're sitting in traffic. Hopefully some of that hot air will let out here rather than just building under the hood. We are in Miami. So probably do 2 of those over there. Possibly make this a functioning hood scoop. I don't know. And then of course, up in the front, I really like the way the Coupe R looks with kind of these, I don't even know what you call them. This front splitter, I guess, that kind of comes down and around here. Just gives it a little bit better look. When you look at this thing in the front right now, it just has a kind of cartoonish look with these 2 headlights that look like 2 eyes looking at you and a little mouth up front. So kind of want to beef that up and make it a little more aggressive. But for right now, this thing is consuming a ton of my time. Hopefully I can get these done. The car is running and driving. Went the other day to get some food. Not as loud as what I thought, pretty comfortable, but I really need this dash in because my screen over here, is just hanging in midair. I got all my control buttons hanging here. It's a real pain to even see anything. So once I get this dash in, that'll make driving it a little more pleasant at least. Again, duct tape to hold the windshield for now. So really just want to get it functioning, driving, a lot of the body work done, at least so it's halfway presentable. Work out the bugs, eventually put the carpet in, and then in a few months, take the body off, undercoat it, do the body work, probably on the car, and paint it on the car. So that's that.